Hello there everyone, my name is Scrollo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be issuing a very huge warning for you guys. Make sure to watch this video from the beginning and until the end, because what I'm about to show you here is about to change people's lives. And if you're not paying attention to this video, you might be the one who is going to change his or her life and not in a good direction. So let's just get straight into this. First, before I give you some news and before I show you what Elon Musk is doing and before I show you what is happening right now with so many things that affect you, me, and everyone else who is not in control of the world, so to speak. So let's get into this immediately. And first, let's get into Bitcoin price. And yesterday we've spoken about this when it comes to the inflation. Really quickly, let's have a look at what happened. We saw that the PCE actually dropped from 3.5, even though they corrected the previous one to 3.4, whatever. So, like, arguably it has stayed the same. So it's like kind of neutral negative. And when it comes to the core one, it came down from 3.9, supposedly adjusted to 3.8, down to 3.7. So therefore, it was like neutral positive. So it was not negative. Therefore, I was, so it's good. It's not amazing, but it's not terrible. So inflation is slowly kind of ticking down. This is what we want to see, and especially when we're going to see Powell speak on the 1st of November and the interest rate decision that is coming up on the 1st of November. So for now, what we saw was, I told you yesterday that if we're going to see something bad in inflation and we break this support right here, that we can entertain a short trade with a target of like 32,700 or something in this vicinity right here. And we did break this support. So it was an interesting shorting opportunity, which I didn't take because we didn't have a fundamental catalyst. I told you we needed a fundamental catalyst. But this break happened just technically. So if you've taken this short trade, then, when it moved like halfway to your take profit, you should have moved your stop loss into profit somewhere and have taken a small profit right here. So I would be very careful with this. If you're still in this short trade, we are retesting right now this area. If we move higher, you should be definitely out of this short trade because I don't see a catalyst. And right now we are in the weekend. So just technically we could just float around and kick people out up and down. So I would be very careful with this. But certainly, as long as we stay below this, used to be support, I would be, okay with this short trade. But that's about it. Like, if anything changes and we go back above into the same range right here, then I would be very careful with it. And this is just basically pretty much it, just technicals. But now let's talk about what actually matters right now and what actually is going to have a huge implications for everyone, for me, for you, for everyone else. And certainly the Wolf of Retro Drops waiting list, guys, we're going to be launching everything very soon, and people will be making 5 to 10x minimum with us, together with us, in the next 12 months. So if you're interested, and without trading, without any risk, almost zero risk. So if you want to learn how to do this and how I used the world of retro drops to make almost $1 million myself this year, and am planning to make another $5 to $10 million in the next year using retro drops, then join this waiting list. There is a link down in the description of this video as well as in the pinned comment, and you will become part of this community and a closed channel where everything's going to be announced, where all the education on Wolf of Retro Drops from Wolf of Retro Drops will be posted. And certainly where am I personally trading and putting in all the trades is of course on Bybit. And with my exclusive link down in the description of this video, you can claim up to $30,000 in initial deposit bonuses with Bybit. And Bybit is huge, very reliable, and doesn't have any stupid FUD about it, like, for example, Binance. So go join Bybit, and also you'll get other bonuses. You can pause the video and see. If you're a trader or getting into trading, you need to have an account on Bybit, and using my link, because you're going to get these insane bonuses as a trader, will give you a huge boost. And yeah, so check it out. And now let's talk about this. This is just... It's sad, it's dangerous for most people who have not converted into Bitcoin yet, and this is my huge warning. Make sure to watch this video till the end, because I'm going to show you what Elon Musk is doing, because he's going to be attempting to fix this, in my opinion. And this is just it. This is what we've seen in during the 2008 and 9 market crashes and collapse during this recession. Is right now what we are seeing, that 4 of Wall Street's biggest banks have recently plummeted to levels not seen since the devastating March banking crisis. Year-to-date losses are staggering, with ranging from minus 15 to 24%, causing significant concerns for investors and overall market. Of course, because they are working in the traditional fiat system that is absolutely broken. You want to see how broken it is? Please. And this, guys, is the system that I'm using till this day. I mean, 15% of my money, 85% of my money is thankfully in crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc., and some stable coins. But 15% is still in this system that is, the fiat system. So right now, look at this. Unrealized gains and unrealized losses on securities at commercial banks in billions of dollars. I mean, 600 billion. This is unprecedented. We've never seen, even during 2008, we didn't have something like this. So what is going to happen is a fundamental, huge collapse of the entire financial system around the corner, because guess what? They've been investing. We need Powell to start raising rates and start cutting rates so that the actual bonds come back and we don't have this yield curve inversion, because banks right now don't have your money. Basically, what this shows that they have so much unrealized losses that the banks simply, if you came to the bank, gave them your $1 million or your $100, whatever, they don't have it anymore. It's not there. It doesn't exist. So if there would be a lot of people coming to the bank saying, hey, where's my money? There is no money. So there would be a huge bank run and a collapse unless, of course, Fed, prints more money and bails them out. So this is how bad it is. This is how terrible the system is. And right now, look at this. This is even worse. This is unbelievable. That this is the huge breaking news on personal savings. Q3 personal savings of this year went from 1.04 trillion to only $776 billion, a staggering 25% drop, and we've already been lower than any previous reading since the Great Recession. And the personal savings rate hit a woeful 3.8%, which is below trend under Joe Biden at level from the grim days of the 2008 financial crisis. People don't have money. Look at the system right here. It's full of debt. United States external debt has trillions and trillions and trillions of dollars of debt, and they're adding $1 trillion of debt every single month. Imagine this. And the worst thing about all of this is that this system is unfixable. The only solution for this is Bitcoin. And here, Elon Musk is unveiling his plans to make X a financial hub by 2024. And certainly, he just wants to build something that is better than PayPal, that, kind of solves some issues that PayPal has. And according to Verge report, Musk's ambitious plan encompasses every aspect of financial management, including payments and securities. And he wants to, he says that PayPal is the less complete product. And remember, Elon Musk was the creator, and he was standing at the inception of PayPal that he later sold and used the money to launch SpaceX and Tesla. So, and what we are saying right now, actually, that it is also sensible to presuppose that X platform will also support crypto assets. 100%. It's undeniable. Of course, Elon Musk understands everything that I've just mentioned in this YouTube video. Of course, there's going to be predominant majority of crypto assets. Dogecoin, yes. Probably, maybe even XRP, and certainly Bitcoin and Ethereum, because these are the only ultra-sound, ultra-amazing assets that actually are a store of value, that actually keep the value of one unit. It's that they don't have this kind of a problem that the fiat system has. And certainly, this is what is gonna continue happening. And this is what, guys, you need to understand. I'm issuing a huge warning. Open your eyes, wake up, see all of this, see what the billionaires are doing, see how much Bitcoin they're accumulating, and see the performance of Bitcoin already, even right now, in this terrible market turmoil situation with wars, with black swan events, with pandemic, with with everything that we are seeing right now, with interest rates, with everything that, Gary Gensler has done. And Bitcoin, out of all the assets, Bitcoin versus other assets, year-to-date return comparison, Bitcoin 105%, even overtaking Tesla, a single stock, Nasdaq 25%, Nikkei 19%, S&P 10%, gold 7%. Seriously? Are you seriously telling me that you're still in something else besides Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, and potentially retro drops? That's why, sign up for retro drops, because this will always also in the next 12 months will show a better return than Bitcoin itself. Two things, guys. Retro drops, join the waiting list, link down in the description of this video, and Bitcoin. Kept telling you this We'll keep telling you this because this is coming to the end. A big showdown is around the corner, maybe this year, maybe next year, maybe the year after. But when we see these kinds of collapses continue, and they probably will continue, or Fed will print money, either way, it's going to be absolutely amazing for Bitcoin. I should maybe become a preacher, I don't know, but this is a fact. These are fucking numbers we're seeing right now. So anyway, guys, check out this video where I'm discussing what retro drops are, how they work, and how you can actually make 10x in the next 12 months, regardless of where Bitcoin goes. If you're a smart person who uses early stage opportunities in the markets, and you're smart and you're paying attention, check out this video right here. And as always, peace and love. Thomas Crollo, stay smart, stay very, very rich, and I'm giving you all the tools to be very rich. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.